Hi, my name is Maprang, CEO founder of Checkmate, the new way to do QA. Today, I'll walk you through two of our demos that help our partners get to the near zero post-production issues. The value proposition and the paradigm are inspired by my time at Airbus on the predictive maintenance algorithms project. At Checkmate, we offer a new proactive, preventive, predictive quality assurance paradigm. So the suite of solutions that we'll build reflect that paradigm by making sure that the issues get solved before they arise. And if we don't catch them early enough in our earlier solutions, there's a system in place to help you solve the issues manually as fast as you possibly can. That's the concept of our bespoke solutions at Checkmate. So let's start by going backward from the system that catches issues that slip through. Our natural language log interpreter and automatic solutions finder, since we plan to roll this one out first. This one is based on the pin shared among all developers who solved the issues during the QA process. We help you analyze and interpret logs into natural language. Our interpretation clearly categorizes the potential issues found in the log with references back to the original log for accuracy checking. Down here, we have suggested a quick fix that we'll train our AI for to be as accurate as it can be, and to reduce the latency going from understanding the log to finding the solution that works. We also provide curated content that redirect you towards the most upvoted solution to similar issues, in case you want to cross-reference solutions from the wisdom of the crowd. We have received a lot of positive feedback from technical and non-technical people alike. Everyone is excited for the launch of this solution, as they could see the level of speed never before seen in the development. Now, for the second demo, risk prediction and code optimizer. This is the one that comes into play before the log analyzer. It is intended to solve the issues before they arise. Unlike Copilot, this one ties all the results to the desired goals at an organization. For example, with our mobile game studio partners, ANR, or application not responding, is a performance metric set forth by Google Play Store, which affects the studio's revenue so severely if this rate is too high. There are both internal factors within the codebase and external factors coming from SDKs and other places. So we'll build a recommender system to help developers focus on a set of issues that they would like to tackle. For example, I worry about my ANR rate, so I click here. Our risk prediction AI will tell you, given your input, which is the codebase in this case, how likely it is that ANR issue would occur along with the proposed solution. In a similar fashion as our first demo, we also provide curated content from Stack Overflow and other places to increase your speed in finding solutions. A tiny difference here is that we have a checklist to help you root out all the potential causes of the issue external to your codebase that at this time we may still not be able to help you solve. We hope that this new paradigm to quality assurance will be game-changing and will become the new standards of software development QA in every sector in the world for years to come.